Good evening, pirates. We'll be starting in next 2 minutes. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Sanjay, you are audible.
Thank you. Okay. So let's start with today's analysis session. The reason behind analysis is today we have seen some of the important candle. I can say it is like the behavior of market has changed by today's candle, and if it is sustained below this level, then this could be a crash. So how we can conclude that this is the crash is okay. Let me ask, Hindi or English? Which language is okay? I think English. Hindi?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Sanjay, you are okay with Hindi? Yes, I thought so.
Yeah. So I prefer English.
Okay, we will have mix like I guess majority of us understand English. So if I'll start, I'll proceed with English only, so that it will be understood by every one of us. And if there is anything about the levels, then I'll also discuss in Hindi. Sorry for that. Okay. So let me share my screen. So today, if you check this price action for today's, there was one candle which is the candle opened at away from all the candles, all the price actions, like all the supports and resistances which were there since last 1 year, approximately 1 year. Okay, and like there is no candle below this level, and we are not saying that this candle has some different identity, but we will check what could be the next move. And for that, the logic which we have developed over the period, which says the market, if it is corrected by 17%, that is healthy correction. Why it is called as healthy correction? That is the rest period, and we can definitely have such corrections to continue the trend. Okay. And today, if we consider this as an false high, so this from this point to this point, it is healthy correction. So with this move as well, we can continue our trade, or we can continue the bull market. If you go into the past, we have faced similar price action where the 17%. So you might say this is not 17, this is 18 or something, but market did not sustain below this level. Why this has happened? Because everyone must be ready to sell something, and to handle that, we need additional money, and these FIs must have put the additional money, and that is why the level is bit disturbed, but still they have protected by reverse price action. What is reverse price action? So they have, for the sell, there is the negation on next day. For the sell, there is negation. This negation is not, I'm not referring to candlestick pattern. I'm just saying, if I want to close below the next candle, if I have reached to this destination, if I would like to choose next destination, my next candle should close below this level. That's all. If it is closing below this level, then we can consider this as a crash. And then crash can take market to a different, completely different level, which is around 24,000. That's the first step. If the price action is valid, like ample amount of price action is there, and it is continuous sideways market, which was not at that time. So that's the reason the price did not enter into the correction mode. Then what could be the 2x for this? This is the point where we have started our journey. 17,000. So it is not affordable. It was not affordable from this high. Oh, sorry, this high. So to extend the market, they must have taken market to some other level. And this is the level. Again, there was a spike on one day, but we are considering only body. And now you will see, when I picked up the range from this level and when I placed it at this high, it is saying 15%, where it is, here it is showing 17%. Okay. So the difference is just because we have reached to the higher point. And if this calculation 6,500 is 17% of this range, 37,000, then the same 6,000 will be a lesser percentage for 41,000. That's why it has extended till 17% again. So this is again 17%. This was also okay. So what was the expectation after this? If price is not declining below, if price is not declining below 2160, like from any low, if this is decision making point, so if the price is returning to the field again, just look at this. If anyone is not getting this point, then please tell me, I'll repeat this again. So just imagine this is 2160. So if price is returning from this point, it should not again come back and should not close below this. Okay. So when price reached to this point, it has crossed 2160, and since then, if you check from any high, the low is not broken. From any high, the low is not broken. From any high, low is not broken. And this was the move where first time low is broken. That means now we got new high. After this high, this was new high. The similar thing happened with this. When the low is broken, the market did not have power to create a higher high, which lasts beyond 2160 points. So it has exactly created high around 2160 point away from current low. And since then, for any low, there was no high which can break the trend. And that's how the trend followed until it has completed 2x. Like this. And we have reached to the destination. From here, base is created, and then we reach to the 2x destination upside. Obviously, the nature was sluggish. So next price action we can expect is sharp fall. But instead of getting sharp fall, the market went up again. And instead of giving this 2x, it has given additional 2x. So once this additional 2x are given, it should get corrected. So that is what has happened. And then price went to the sideways market. And this was the sideways range where this was the first time market went below 2160. And since then, market did not have strength to go up. I'm referring market to Bank Nifty because we are following Bank Nifty. Or I am following Bank Nifty for this every analysis. So you will find on the, for the same low, the high was created around 2160. So at this point also we had discussed, if market is crossing upside, then we can resume that uptrend. The similar thing has happened over here. You know this, right? You have already seen this when market went from this point to the upper side, which was 2160 points away. The same way it has happened, and it continued the journey. And then we reached to a point. Now, if the low is breached, that means we have reached to the maximum point. And now, after returning from this point, as destination is reached, how the destination is reached? So for this PZ kind of thing, we have reached to TZ. This was TZ. This was TZ actually. And then this was additional shift. And then we are waiting for the move. And it broke above. That means the new range is again opened. Okay. And it can go to any level. But during this period, there was a news of war started floating into the market. And we came to know this news might be later. There was some hidden, because if you go to the index of Russia, their fall has started from month of Jan, I guess. Let me check it. Investing, right? What is the name of that index? IMOEX. So this is Jan 2020. If you check the price action for entire 1 year, since October, there is some news floating into the market. And then in the month of Jan, it has, like, the action was taking place, and effect came to us around after this, like after Jan or Feb. What does that means? So this run should sustain or should reach to this point, but it did not, and it only went up till 1x, right? And now I'll remove everything and we'll just place. So this is 17% correction, which we call it as healthy correction. Okay. And then this is the area where market should resume its trend to 160. But it did not happen. And we went 1x up. Then we adjusted ourselves to the event. Okay. Let me use some other tool. ये इंग्लिश में थोड़ा इमोशंस नहीं आता है बाहर. जस्ट यहाँ पे आके मार्केट ने हमें डरा दिया. सो डरा दिया का मतलब we got scared because this break should have happened upside to break this range. But this was the patch which has broken the trend multiple times. If you see, after this patch, like after crossing the range 2160, not a single point market went below this level, except this occurrence, first occurrence. That is okay because it is first time retest. Normally what we call retesting is done whenever there is change in the trend. The same way here retesting is done. If trend is changing, it will cover all the way, entire distance, and then it will resume. The same way, if the trend is changed, it has covered the entire distance. Okay. Then this fall has happened, and after that there was no point it has breached. Before changing the trend, it has retested. Like it has changed, it has touched to the point, and then it went below, and then it has broken the trend. So what was the expectation? The market should restrict itself falling below 2160 from any high. So this was the high, it was okay. This was the next high again. Until this point, the price action was okay. If you watch closely, until this point, price action was okay. From this high, this low is okay. From this high, this low was okay. This was a short or lower high created. It is also acceptable. We can only then decide at this point. At this point, we got again a good price action, which has saved the low of the market, or which has saved the low, and which has, like, the FIs have put additional money to protect the price in the same range. And then after this point, there is something which, from where, like, this was the opening where market rejected all the levels and it has opened at this point. And then we got to know, okay, there is some effect of a news. Although it was war kind of condition, we were thinking about upside. So till this point, upside was protected. So do any one of you have some different opinion on this? Just let me know. Or have you understood whatever I have explained till this point? Is this digestible, or do you find this is logical until this point? Just say yes or no. Unmute, or you would like to say anything about this. What is your view? You can please explain before going further. Okay, Mohan is saying yes, Sanjay is saying yes, Subi is also saying yes. If you have any different opinion, do not worry or do not hesitate to share your opinion. Do not hesitate to ask queries, because I am not the perfect person. This is my understanding about the market. There must be some different level of understanding. It is like 2 plus 2, 4, and 3 plus 1, 4. So we are playing with money. So we should have better understanding, or close to the right understanding. We should have an understanding which is very close to the exactly right understanding. We cannot be right every time, but 50% of chances are there where we can analyze market in perfectly right way. So this is the point where we should first thought of. There is something fishy happening in the market, and that can limit up to this point. So if you are adjusting this by adjusting noise and everything, if you are covering every noise, the things were adjustable up to this point. Is this okay to, like, till this point, everything was okay. But today's candle had added different perspective in the market. Now it has two different meanings. One meaning, I can say, this is only the candle which is like island candle, which the similar candle had happened in the market like 2 years back. In 2020, this was rejected. Price action was rejected at this point. And this candle was completely standing outside the entire price action. Right? The single candle. The same way, similar thing has happened today. And that is why we are taking this session. So you'll find this candle says, I am not part of this story. I'm something else. And then we need to identify what is this. And that's very important point we should understand over here is, this is saying, if I sustain below this level, I will have more such candles, or I will be more powerful, because no one has guts. Retail participants do not have guts to enter in this area of the price. Only big players can enter into this area. And there is one additional understanding about this point, this candle. So suppose if we are sitting at 17%, just to take advantage of this, situation, market might have, is this session recorded? Okay, good. I can share. So market might have created false high. This could be a false high created to just get create understanding of correction. This is one of the thought which justifies this candle. Otherwise, there is no other thought which can say this candle belongs to this price action. Are you guys agreeing to this point? Is everyone on same page? If you have some different understanding, please disclose or please let us know, because we are going to get, like, this could be one of the other lifetime opportunity which is waiting for us if we have understood it in a right way, or we are going to lose good amount of money by understanding it in a wrong way. So any one of you do have any other understanding about this candle? Why this candle is there? What could be the role of this candle? If no, then I'll go ahead with two different thoughts. So now there are two different price action we can expect from the market. Shall I proceed? If we all are okay till this point. Just say yes or no. Or just put your opinion. Is there any confusion? Okay, we can proceed. So here at this point, if this closing would have gone below this level, then we can conclude it, the correction has begun, or this is the first step of correction, by considering this as an false high. Okay, lower high, it is an false high. If this area, if the price sustains in this area for a week also, then that's a correction, because price will have no power. Like if you check this, price has came down, it has tested it, and then it broke below. Again, it has retested. But the trend continued, because it was because after this, there are few candles like this is a week 16 Feb, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 9, 22, and 1.5 week. It could not sustain in at this point, and then it has broken the trend. So trend is broken, then we should expect, whenever the trend is broken, we should expect 2x downside. That is what has happened in the market now. Okay. More participants, one moment. How to mute?
चार्ज नव्हते या चार्जरने बघू. तुझं लागलंय का? झालंय? आई ग.
Okay. So this is the target completed, and we are sitting outside the target. So now we should understand over here, there is again, because of this false high, the two possibilities were there. Either it is a correction or it is not a part of correction. But this is saying if this is part of 3x, if this is part of 3x, we need not to worry about it, because we can get this sideways move, and then we can get the good amount of time to quit or to come out of our portfolio. Okay. But if it is not giving us a time, then this complete candle can take us to 33% down, total 33% down. You will find this is 19% from here, but the actual correction will be calculated from this point. Okay. So this is 33% down, total 33% from this point. So that means this price action is also completed over here. Now this candle closing is not a part of this story. If you remove this as well, we are inside this 2x, but we are outside the major price action. Is 17%. So this is not again part of this entire story. This is something new will be built in the market. So we are scared. So I am a bit scared about this candle. So what next expected move from market is, this should not sustain at this point. If it's sustaining below this level, then we will find the price is reaching to 27,000. Okay. And if it is not sustaining to this point, then we are ready to go from here. There will be a base, then there will be some correction price action. So what we are expecting from Putin, a positive news. Are you guys aware of any positive news right now? Or you are expecting any positive news which I am not aware? First time I am referring, I would like to refer some news which is overpowering the actual price action. Is there any news?
Sanjay, ceasefire can be a news.
Okay.
In 4 cities, there is a ceasefire currently. So maybe, don't know. But that news came on Friday, but still it is like
Friday, that is already discounted then.
No, it came on Saturday actually, not Friday. But after
today
that,
is Monday. Okay.
But after that, like they still started this continuing this violating this ceasefire, and also I don't know when that is a positive news or no, but something like that only.
Third round of talk is also going. Okay.
Yeah, third round of talk.
Okay.
But that is just a temporary. I mean, ceasefire.
Okay.
Humanitarian ground something.
I would like to know the reason for this candle. There must be some reason behind this candle, and normally we do get some of the information, like some of the participants, those who are following news, they might be aware of this, but I still did not. I cannot relate this candle. The similar thing was happened.
Sanjay,
yes.
The reason could be like one of the reason. What I feel is that like the crude reason. There was a deal that was happening between Iran and Iran and US, and all of a sudden it came to know that Russia is also a party of that, and Russia needs to sign that.
Okay.
And if ideally Russia won't sign that, as if Iran needs to come out from the nuclear deal, Russia has to sign that, and he won't be signing that.
Okay.
So that was the reason, first of all. And in the evening, the market started to develop now, like US markets and Europe markets, just because that they Putin had mentioned that there won't be any action, like if Ukraine agrees to everything, so we will withdraw the military in spot. So again, like that is not absorbed by the market as of now. That's what I feel. And
Okay,
again,
that
it's
is not yet
turning.
absorbed. Okay.
Yeah. So it's like it's again turning back to red.
Okay.
So main is the energy part.
Okay.
So Russia also needs to be party wherein you don't need to bail out Iran. Which is not going to happen as of now.
Okay. Okay. Still okay. Because this action is taken by FIS and they are aware of something which we are not yet aware, and we might not get source as well, and we cannot even define the meaning of current news.
So I have one more view on the current news.
Okay.
So actually the rounds of talks that are happening, they're actually discussing the same things that they're fighting for the past 8 years. So another view of the ceasefire is to just bring all the civilians out, and so that Russia can totally bombard the entire capital and eliminate its government. So that might be the bigger plan, and these rounds of talk might be to get more time to extend those ceasefires and make sure that civilians are moved out of Ukraine to completely capture the country. Because even last week there was a news that when the French president spoke to Putin, he said that he was very determined to capture the entire Ukraine. So what I expect is these rounds of talks are just to, just an eyewash to gain more time to avoid casualties. And once most of the civilians are out, then Russia will go all at once. So that's my view actually.
Okay, and how this is going to affect, is this going to affect, suppose the Putin has covered all the area, maybe whatever he is expecting, it could be positive or positive news for entire world, or it could be negative news?
So I would say it would be positive because the conflict would end. So
Conflict
that's a big positive.
Okay, right there.
One more positive thing is the US is not very much concerned. So they are just like sitting and watching everything, even the EU and NATO. So since those guys are not actively involved and they just provide some moral support, then so that's the reason that I don't expect
things will not escalate more. Okay.
Yeah,
right.
yeah. So once he bombards and finishes his desire, then the war will finally end, and again we'll start moving higher. That's my view.
Sanjay, Bhavesh, there is a one positive news, like that banking system which all have sanction on Russia. China has given some intermediate system to Russia. I don't know what is that word, but
yuan. So Chinese have their own banking system, right? So they are allowing Russia to bypass those sanctions through Chinese economy.
Okay.
That is also news.
Okay. So because now we are referring to something, like we are looking at something which is not part of price action, which we should be aware of, and this is something scary, or it is not. We should not take care of it. If we are considering this candle is participant of this entire price action, then we have a definite chance to go back to a level at least 2 times down. This could not be affordable because of current economic condition all over the entire world, like all over world. This could be possible. This is also adjustable. And this could be a sharp fall and the sharp rally. And if this rally continues, then the best pattern normally which we discuss about. So that is why I mentioned two different possibilities in the chat. So this is one possibility where we are going 33% down, and then if we want to come back, it could be 100% rally, and which will take us to completely 27,000 points up, which is around 56,000, near about 56,000. Even this patch is not affordable for our economy. But why I'm considering this patch is affordable is just only because of one reason. Because whenever we are checking this money control, about FIS data, I do remember I have created one video during that period around 2nd November. If you go through the channel, we have created one video which explains the price action of 2nd November. And this is the patch I was like, just imagine July 2020. Okay, I'll also include March. And then March 2022. So this is Feb 2020, March 2020, they sold everything. Okay. In entire March. Then 65,816. And November 2020, they bought everything. Or they bought, FIS bought something which is clearly visible in the chart. So when this candle began on that day, or like when the 2nd November price action was done, this was 2nd November's price action. So if we mark this point, this is second or so they have started buying portfolios or equities in their account, and this could have ended near around, if this is 2100, is this 2100? 2160, right? Okay. So this is 2100 patch, and they have installed their first bag of money. So whatever they have bought over here in huge quantities, they can still average it out. Like they can create a rally. Then this was the first time they have taken advantage of derivative market. They must have built one more position, which is, again, we are safe. If they have built one more position over here, we are still safe. This is 2160. So we are at this point right now. And this is the third time they have taken advantage. Sorry, second time. This was the first time. This was the second time. So how this happens, as per my understanding, they create, suppose for an example, they create a position, they create momentum over here. And suppose they have bought 100 stocks, for an example, 100 stocks over here. Then the price will be shoot up by, which I check, by others' participation. So the moment the market is falling, they will add up some money to just create the momentum. They will not deploy all their money to create this momentum. Only on the important point. This price action is also known to us because we have markings. We have created some videos for this. So this was a shifted range and then sharp fall. Then again shifted range and then sharp fall. And then third time, the range went beyond our limit, whatever. Then again on this patch, they have again started inserting money. So here 100 stocks, here 100 stocks. Just imagine here 100 stocks. So now they have 300 stocks. So their plan is to buy 500 stocks. on best prices. So they are still holding these stocks. So if price is going from 100 rupees to 200, there is no problem for them. So they average it out at 150. So they are not selling anything in stocks. They might just have created derivative positions and they are still holding these stocks. And if you see the average, so they have increasing the quantity. Their average price is this. They are taking market to some other level and they're taking derivative advantage. Like this similar stocks movement, which was not there. They have created that movement, and this 50 rupees and this 50 rupees, that is okay for them. So they have already covered their 100 rupees and they have doubled the quantity. So this is third time they are doing this. And so they can afford to average at this level or at this level. Any level they can average it out because this is the point where their buying is started. So they have scope to do anything in between this range. That is why I'm considering this area is okay. This is still not affordable. And if you go back, here they have created a halt. This was their price action. And if you check this point is nothing but this was crash actually. This was complete crash. So this point was nothing but 33% fall, like the same. This is 33%. Okay. And as we are considering fall, this is 17%. Whenever there is a trend, price has a limit to go back by 17%, but it can continue its trend. So that is why the fall continued. So in this case, if there is a fall, then price is allowed to come back by 17%. So after this price action, okay, sorry. So that is why these levels are important for us and they are protecting their levels. So at this point, I am just considering the third box I have removed. This box is affordable because they can average these prices of all their stocks. And in this 17% area, once they are going back to continue the trend, so this trend will be broken. Like if the price is coming to 34, if it is not going above 17%, where is 17%? This is the point. So this could be our important level where we are sitting right now. So to continue, either the fall, if fall happen up to 34%, then from this, the price action should get reversed and it should cross this barrier. If it's not crossing, then it is a correction. Then we should fall like hell. Okay. This is first thing. The second thing, why if the trend is continuing, how far it can go? 17 threes are 51. So this is 51. And then there is trend breaker when the price went above 17%. What is 17%? This is 17%. You can check this mark. The price did not, once it has crossed this level, it did not again went back to the same level. And if we mark this level as well, we are still above this. And there was also a patch where price action was like this. So the range has formed, then it went like this. Then there was a breakout, false breakout, then 3x or 4x, CV, this was 1x, then false breakdown, then 2x, and you might have, those who are old to this theory, I have mentioned one thing at this point, the 2x point, 23 or something was the level. You will find this in the videos. Okay. So what I'm saying is this is not affordable. This is still okay. We have base over here, base over here. This is the base. This patch. So only two possibilities. If the correction, when we can get to know this is correction, once there is 34% fall, it will go back and it will not cross this barrier. So this level is important. And what is this level? If you check this level, we have identified this level long back. 33,300. This is the level. We have identified this. There is one of the video. I'll also check that video. We have mentioned about that level. We were planning only until this level. We were not planning anything above this level, but still the fourth X has happened, and then this price action has been created. Okay. So I'll remove what is not important right now, and I'll only keep the conclusion. So the important, if you are going down for this journey, and if we are getting bounced back at this level, this is 34%, and after bounce back, if you are crossing this boundary, then we have lifetime opportunity to go to, one moment. Hello. Okay, so what we have understood, so if price is reaching to this point, this is the area where we should resume trend. If price is crossing this and closing above this, we should resume the trend. And if his price is closing below this level, below this patch, or if this is continuation, then at least we can expect 1x. And if it is not happening, like this is negated, like every candle, every past candle, if this is negated, this candle is negated, this candle is negated, there is reverse price action is happening. Already we are very far to negate this. So there is good amount of money should be kept. This was at the boundaries. This candle were at the boundaries, but this candle is far away from the boundary. That is why I'm scared. And if we are coming inside, then we should only think about upside, which is the same. Where is that? This one. And this is nothing but if we are stretching this, this, if you are going upside from this point, this is the area where 20% is done. This is the area where 50% is done. And there could be an area where 100% is done. And that's the magic of our theory. If anything goes -1, it can go for 2x upside. Okay. And the reason they are intentionally, if they are intentionally building shorts over here, that means there will be a short covering rally. And if that rally comes up, then we are ready to go to this level by adding stocks in portfolio. This is the time to get out of the stocks, or if you are still holding power, you can wait up to this level. Okay, I'll just check what has happened in the last rally. This is 100%. Sorry. Hello. Was I audible? Sorry. Okay. So that is why what I was saying is, whenever where our logic fits is, from any point the price gets corrected to -1, why it goes to +2x. The reason, like I mentioned many times before, they reinvest something in this. They put their positions on negative side by adding some negative positions. So from this point, whenever there is a rally of -1, to come out of this rally in profit, we need to cover 100%, right? So that is why they remove 17%, then again 17%, total is 34%. And from negative to 34%, if we want to come to cost, or we need to take out the benefit, then we should have a rally of 100%. That is how the -1x to 2x logic is also explained. Okay. Anything else you would like to know, or which I might have missed? Please let me know. Otherwise, I am done from my side. So this was very important. So I have explained this in live market just to get an idea how to identify correction, and how, until which point we should conclude or we should not conclude that this is correction or not. And this is healthy correction. If this correction is happening, this will be very healthy correction for us. Okay. So I'm done from my side. Anything else from your side? Any comments? No comments?
Nothing, just crash should not happen till 28,000. Hope for the best.
how much amount is there in your bank account? We'll try to put that amount in the market and we'll try to protect the crash.
If I got, I'll try to fill up a gap tomorrow. 34,000 to 32,000, that gap I'll fill tomorrow.
Please fill. Put some money and fill that gap.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so then pirates, be wise and take this opportunity in the right way and do not commit any mistakes or commit mistakes, but those should not be costly, and then that will be really helpful for us in upcoming market. Like market has unlimited potential and unlimited opportunities. Do not waste our money where we are not understanding anything. If you understood everything, then plan this opportunity. Try to catch this opportunity at this point. Amplify this opportunity at this point. Okay. Yes, I have muted someone. Please, if anyone wants to speak, please unmute yourself. Okay, so that was the only concern from my side. I'm done. And if there are queries, then I can close this session. Is that okay for everyone?
Yeah.
Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Yes, Sanjay. Thank you.
Thank you.